Tired of overpacking and paying extra fees at the airport? You're not alone. Many travelers struggle with how to pack efficiently without leaving essentials behind. Here's your life pro tip. Use packing cubes. These handy organizers can drastically reduce the bulk and help you maximize space in your luggage. Step 1. Choose the right size of packing cubes for your suitcase. Step 2. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. Step 3. Organize items by category. Shirts in one cube, pants in another. Why does this work? Rolling clothes not only saves space, but also minimizes wrinkles. Packing cubes keep everything organized, making it easier to find what you need without unpacking your whole bag. You can also use packing cubes for other items, like toiletries or tech accessories, to keep everything tidy. Just remember to choose lightweight cubes that won't add extra weight. Be cautious though. Overstuffing packing cubes can lead to difficulty zipping your suitcase. Make sure to leave some space for souvenirs. In summary, packing cubes can transform your travel experience by saving space, reducing stress, and keeping you organized. Give it a try on your next trip.